Good morning, dear students. This is Shruti ma'am, Modern English School, New Area, Navada. Today is Monday, so welcome back to our e-learning. Dear students, already I have sent you the excluded chapters. But already we have started this chapter, the snake and the mirror. So that's why we will complete this chapter. Okay, a little bit is left. So don't worry, actually the questions will not come from this chapter, whatever. So that previous two videos, what we have learned, that the homeopath doctor, he was sitting on the chair, and suddenly he has heard a thud sound, and as soon as he turned, then he saw that a fat snake was crawling towards his chair, and it just slithered on his shoulder. You understood, na, that the moment the sound the doctor has heard and he has turned, and then he could he has seen that to see that what was that, from where the sound was coming. Then he saw that actually it was a snake, fat snake, and not only that, the snake was just slithered on his shoulder. So a fat snake. So but at that very moment, neither he could jump nor he could cry, and he did not do anything, because that presence of his mind, that if he just jump or if he just tremble or if he cried, then a little bit movement would be harmful for him. That means the snake would bite him, and the snake has made a hood and just looked at the doctor, and that the doctor was just he had nothing to do. He had turned into a statue of flesh. Statue of flesh means that statue means what? Statue, that means that could not move, that could not that could not move. So that in that very moment, the snake just slithered on the doctor's shoulder, that he had not to do anything. So he was just like a statue, and even he had to hold her breath also. He could not take his breath. Breathing means also what? Movement, and that would be dangerous. And that what the doctor was thinking, and that at that moment the doctor just was thinking about the creator, about the God. And what he was doing, he was just writing a letter to the God. Means just you just feel the situation that a fat snake is there on your shoulder, and then that the doctor felt that the snake was just coiling, means just rolling his left arm, and just then how was the feeling? That as if it was a rod, it was a just a molten fire rod. Means it was just a fat snake, it was crawling, means what? That it was just in his shoulder, his left arm, it started paining, and that the situation was very worst. But there was that the doctor did not know what was the reason, how he could rescue himself from this snake. There was no alternative, and he was looking here and there around, and everywhere it was only what? Dark and dark and dark. Throughout the room, when he was thinking, it was dark. Inside the room, it was dark, because it was just it was that night when the doctor came back from the restaurant, and that the incident happened at that very moment. And only a light was there, that was the kerosene lamp. It was there, it was lighting on the table. So the doctor had to wait that and the doctor could not take the means that his breathing also, that doctor could not take his breathing properly, because he should not move. If you move, then that anything can happen. What? That, and the doctor is just describing the situation, that death was lurking in front of him. Hood means, no, that this is hood, and the snake was just coiling his left arm. The snake was slithered on his arm and it was looking towards the doctor, and there was a gap between the doctor's face and the snake's hood. This one, it was hardly 3 or 4 inches. So the death was lurking just in front of him. That just it was 3 or 4 inches. That means that if the doctor will that the doctor would move, then what would happen? The snake may bite. Then, and that very moment the doctor was thinking that what he could do, and if the snake bites, then there was no such medicine to just treat himself. And the doctor was just, you just imagine the situation that before few seconds, few moments, the doctor was thinking, and how nice things, thoughts he was thinking. But now when the snake was there, when he has started that he was the most foolish person in the world, though he was a doctor, he did not, and he was living in the room where there were full of rats. And rats means snakes. So as a doctor, he had to know, he had to keep the medicine of the snake biting. So that doctor, that the moment such incident occurred, the doctor started thinking about all these things, and that he was thinking what to do. And what was that the situation, that the snake was there, and the thought was that the death was awaiting just in front of him, that 3 or 4 inches away. Death means here the death is the snake and the possibility of the biting of the snake. So today up to here, tomorrow we will complete that. And students, you know that next week that you have your exam. So already you have given one exam. So be very much sincere and be very much serious, and just the previous time, the mistakes you have done, this time try to not to do those mistakes. So thank you very much. Stay at home, stay safe.